The Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed the return of veteran goalkeeper and captain Itumeleng Khune from suspension. It was in December last year that Chiefs announced that Itumeleng Khune was suspended and subsequently withdrawn from all team activities owing to issues around his discipline. As part of his suspension, Khune had to undergo a number of programs aimed to get him back on track as far as his discipline is concerned. On Wednesday morning, after the club's 1-0 win over Arrows, Chiefs confirmed that Khune has returned. They released a statement and said, Khune was suspended early in December to afford him an opportunity to complete a corrective program designed for him to meet set expectations for a professional athlete. Upon completion of the program, a report from an independent body of professionals was received and shared with the technical team to demonstrate that he had done all that was required. During his 3-month absence, Khune said he fully participated in the programs set out for him and believes they assisted with his personal growth and development as a professional athlete as well as an individual. He looks forward to working hard at training and sharing his knowledge with his teammates. In January and February, Kaizer Chiefs also allowed Khune to participate on the panel of SABC sport analysts during the recent Africa Cup of Nations. The experience gained from the exercise will hopefully benefit his life in future. As Kaizer Chiefs, we welcome Itu back to the home he has known for over 25 years, and we remain committed to our core values of discipline, integrity, respect, and unity. Khune will be competing with Bruce Vuma, who has kept 8 clean sheets since taking over the Chiefs' #1 jersey. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.